Welcome to the soda tier list. Before we start, I just want to clarify a few things. I tried to only include the original sodas, so Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, but I also included Cherry Pepsi and Cherry Coke just because they're really good, and also Orange Fanta and Grape Fanta because they're pretty important. Alright, so let's get started with classic Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is not bad. It's not that good either. It's kind of there. Destroys your teeth. If you drink Coke and then don't brush your teeth within 30 minutes, guaranteed have cavities. Like on all of your teeth. E tier. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is bad. Very overhyped. Tastes like lighter fluid. I haven't really had a lot of the like Pitch Black, Code Red. I haven't tried a lot of those. People say Baja Blast really good, but I've never had it. But just the classic Mountain Dew is bad. Cheerwine, little lesser known, but it's fire. It's kind of like Dr. Pepper, a little cherrier and better. But it's so good. All right, Cherry Coke, A tier. It's way better than Coke. Way better than normal Coke. Still leaves that little film around your teeth, but I can look past it because it tastes so good. All right, Pepsi. Pepsi is better than Coke. I don't understand when people say there's not a difference or they can't taste a difference between Coke and Pepsi, because there definitely is, and Pepsi is definitely better. So if you think they taste the same, you have no right to criticize this list because you clearly can't taste anything. Alright, Grape Fanta, E tier. Grape Fanta is bad. Grape anything is bad. It tastes like children's NyQuil. I don't understand why people like it. Alright, Sierra Mist. Sierra Mist is boring. Drinking Sierra Mist is like going to the library. It's just mundane. Like there's nothing exciting about drinking Sierra Mist. It doesn't taste that bad, but it just tastes like it's just boring Sprite with less flavor. Oh, that's not good. All right. Cherry Pepsi is the only S tier on the list because it's the only soda that deserves S tier. I originally had Cherry Coke at S tier, but it just can't compete. Cherry Pepsi slaps, man. It's actually like, it's so good. Sprite, D tier. Overrated. Probably the most overrated soda, besides maybe Mountain Dew. Sprite sucks. Tastes the same as Sierra Mist. It's just a little bit more flavorful. Ginger ale is the worst. Ginger ale sucks. Only drink it if you're sick, and even then, just avoid it. It sucks. It's like oddly spicy. Not spicy, but like kind of stings. I don't. Oh, A lot of people really like ginger ale, but it's like if you had sparkling water, but there was no like fruit flavoring or anything in it. Like just spicy water. Just TV static. This one's also going to be pretty controversial. Root beer is F tier. Root beer is worse than ginger ale, but not by much. It ruins root beer floats because I'd rather just have ice cream. Because you get to the root beer and then you're just disappointed because it's not as good as the ice cream. I'd rather have a float with any other soda on this list. Except Jolt. Probably not Jolt, but we'll get there. Alright. Pib Extra is A tier. Pib Extra is kind of slept on. I'm not going to lie. People think it's just worse Dr. Pepper, but I would argue it's actually just better Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper's good. I love Dr. Pepper. I'll say I love everything B tier and up. Everything in this area is a good soda. Like, you could swap any of the sodas, put them anywhere in these three categories, any of these 6 sodas, and I would agree with you most likely. Or I'd say it's acceptable. I wouldn't agree with you. But if you put like Sprite or ginger ale in S tier, you're just wrong. And you should probably like not be allowed to vote because your decision making skills are clearly off. Alright, Orange Fanta, C tier. Probably about the same as Coke. It's pretty good. Maybe it's better than Coke, I don't know. I don't have any strong feelings on Fanta, but it's pretty good. Alright, Jolt Cola. Jolt Cola is kind of a hidden gem. Not because it tastes good. It tastes horrible. It tastes like battery acid. And if you think I'm exaggerating, you probably haven't had Jolt Cola. Because I don't think anyone has in the past like 20 years besides, well, like 20 people. Like, I've had it in a small dollar store in West Virginia, and I swear it was 15 years expired. But I still drank it. And it tastes horrible, but it's an experience. So for the experience, it gets put in D tier. It tastes worse than the F tiers. But their tagline is all the sugar, twice the caffeine. So having like 3 times the amount of caffeine and like a cup of coffee, it is an experience. Everyone should try it once. But if you would have regularly drink it, you'd probably die within like a week. Mellow Yellow. Not that interesting. Same as Sprite. Not good, but not the worst. Just eh. Alright, so that's about it. Comment below what tier list I should make next, because I really don't know. I'm trying to think of an original one, because now that everyone's making tier lists, it's kind of hard to make ones that haven't been done to death. So, I don't know. We'll see.